Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to query tuning and BigQuery best practices, beginner guide step by step clearly. To begin, navigate to the Google Cloud Console at console.cloud.google.com. Log into your Google account if you haven't already. Select your existing Google Cloud project or create a new one. In the left-hand navigation menu, click on BigQuery. Once in the BigQuery interface, locate the Query Editor section. Here, you can write and execute your SQL queries. To enable query tuning, click on Query Settings in the editor. Make sure the Enable Query Tuning option is checked. Next, write a simple SQL query for testing purposes. Click on the Run button to execute your query. Observe the execution time and the resources consumed by the query. After the query runs, a query plan explanation will appear. This section provides insights into how BigQuery optimized your query. Analyze the execution stages to identify potential performance issues. Look for areas where you can improve query performance, such as removing unnecessary joins. Take note of recommended optimizations suggested in the explanation. For more complex queries, consider reducing the dataset size using filters. Use aggregate functions wisely to minimize data processed. If applicable, create partition tables for large datasets. Once you've optimized your query, rerun it to compare performance. Keep track of your query performance over time to identify trends. Finally, document your findings and adjustments to build a knowledge base for future queries. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.